Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we are learning figure drawing. So firstly, we are starting with understanding body shape. If we simplify body shape in stick figure as simple circle for head, adding line for body and then adding stick for hand and leg portion. Now let's add different body shapes to make this figure doodling more interesting, like square, circle, triangle. Now other than adding hand and leg gestures normal, let's give movement to it, like dancing or walking steps maybe. At last, as we cover stick figure, let's make them wear interesting clothes. You can add zigzag pattern, polka dot, make them wear shorts or one piece. Show your creativity here and feel that you are a fashion designer. Now moving to face and hairstyle. And firstly, we're gonna cover female hairstyle. For face, there is no compulsion to create circle shape. It's doodling time, so make it more interesting with different shapes. And expression part, we already covered, so you can add your favorite expressions here. Now moving to hairstyle, you can make cloudy hairstyle. Let's make some normal bun, open hair or just making pony. You can think about more new hairstyle and try it by your own self. For male hairstyle, we are again starting with different shapes for face, adding different expressions and moving with hairstyle part. For first one, you can try adding drop shape and moving on you can try square or normal decent hairstyle, cloudy shape, two-sided partition or spikes maybe. Now let's move to clothes. Very firstly, starting with t-shirt part. Simply we can draw t-shirt using square shape and adding triangle for sleeve. Same shape of t-shirt we can try creating in continue format. Add different neck patterns like V shape, U shape or polo neck. And trying different sizes of sleeves like full sleeve, half sleeve or sleeveless t-shirt. Moving to shirt part. Other portion of shirt can be similar as t-shirt. Just we need to add extra line in middle and add button to it. In shirt part, you can try different length of shirt and try different pattern of collars. Now let's move to shorts. For shorts, you need to draw rectangle shape and add inverse V in middle. That's it. After that, you can try add pockets and try to draw different sizes of shorts. Same way, we need to add jeans. You can try normal jeans, pencil jeans, baggy jeans and so on. For baggy jeans, try adding lines of that jeans little wavy and add extra pockets. For skirt portion, here after adding normal shape of skirt, you can add different pattern to it, like broad belt or more petals or frill. While we are doing dress, you can try different things with shape, like triangle, rectangle or curve shape and design your dress. Here now we are going to draw sari. Just like normal clothes, we need to start with square portion, then add two curve line moving on right side as a sari drape. And then add shading in blouse portion. Lastly, we need to add drapery on left side. For first cap, you just need to start with curve line, adding semicircle on top and curve line inside that semicircle. Different caps we can try with drawing wavy line and adding square or semicircle on top. Let's draw artwork with different types of figure, hairstyle and clothing. Simply try different things, show your creativity and make your own figure doodling artwork. Today we are learning animal doodling, starting with features and faces of animal. Whatever animal we are starting with, we need to capture features of that animal. Here simply just capturing shape and feature of eyes, nose and ears. Similar way, we need to capture things needed and practice to draw features of other animal. This exercise actually improves your observation skills. In this exercise, this way you only need to capture features of animal. Now let's apply features. So here, starting with adding different shapes like square, circle, triangle, and in these shapes, we need to add features of animal. And there is no particular restriction of adding particular animal in particular shape. We can try different combination like adding feature of dog into square shape. In simple language, you don't need to follow same thing I am doing here. Show your own creativity and enjoy freedom in doodling. After done with face, let's add animal body using different shapes. Here you can actually doodle freely. So just enjoy doodling. Thank you for joining.